Hello everyone, welcome back once again. This video is also for the bankers. So I'm writing here once again CIIB BFM. Can see here CA IIB BFM. This is also one of the important question for you. As a banker, it's one of the important question for you. Now we will solve here ECG. We'll solve here about ECG. So I'm just writing the question here. Let's see here. A claim of rupees 49 lakhs. I'm writing here now like this. A claim of rupees 49 lakhs has been settled by ECGC in favor of bank against default. So what they are asking is, see here, in favor of bank against default of rupees 70 lakhs. Just writing here. I hope the video is clear. Now as this is very important, that's why I'm asking you. So writing here, subsequently, see here, subsequently the bank realizes what happened? Subsequently the bank realizes of rupees 15 lakhs with the collaterals available to the loan. Now the question is, what will be actual amount settled? What will be actual amount settled by ECGC after realization of security by the bank. Now first see the question here. A claim of rupees 49 lakhs has been settled by whom? ECGC in favor of a bank against default of rupees 70 lakhs. So what happens? Subsequently the bank realizes, or see here, the bank realizes of rupees 15 lakhs with the collaterals available to the loan. The question is, what will be actual amount settled by ECGC after realization of security by the bank? So here they have given 4 options here. The first is either it will be 49 lakhs or B, I'm writing here, C, or B, it's 42.5 lakhs. We need to emphasize on the answer, how to solve the answer, how to get the answer. Next comes the third option is 38.5 lakhs and the last option is 34 lakhs. Last is 34 lakhs. So we will see how to solve first. See here. Now I'm just trying to make you understand how to solve. See now ECGC. So just first listen here. ECGC has had settled 49 lakhs on default of how many? On default of 70 lakhs. Right? That is 70% of the default amount they have settled. Right? 70% of the default amount they have settled. Who? The ECG have settled. But subsequent to that settlement, rupees, how many? Something rupees 15 lakhs was realized through the security. Yeah, through the security held. So finally the claim amount, how the claim amount from the ECGC. So the claim amount, so I will just write here first. ECGC have settled, how many they have settled? They have settled 49 lakhs. So I am just writing here. This is just for your understanding. I am writing here. ECGC, they had settled. ECGC had settled rupees 49 lakhs they have settled, right? On default of rupees 70 lakhs. Of rupees 70 lakhs. That means how much they have settled? Almost 70%. So that is 70% they have settled of default amount. So I am just writing here. This is just for your understanding. I am writing here. See here. This is 70% they have settled of default amount. Right. Now just see here. But subsequent to that settlement, the bank realizes 15 lakhs too. Right? Yeah. So but subsequent to that settlement, what the bank realizes is, see here, like, see 15 lakhs is the, but subsequent to that settlement, see, yeah, 15 lakhs is the bank realized through security held. So the final claim 15 lakhs, I will just write here too, the given options. The 15 lakhs, see here, 15 lakhs, this was realized. So I am just writing here in a bracket, realized. This is realized through security. So this is realized through security, right? So this is realized through security which is held. Then comes the claim amount. Now the claim amount from ECGC, the claim amount from ECGC should be, so how much is there? See, so the claim amount, can see here, the claim amount should be, let's say, see here, 49 they have settled, right? After 49, apart from 49, 70 lakhs was there. So it's 20, 30, just a moment. Now see here, ECG had settled 49 lakhs, right? ECG, they have settled 49 lakhs in favor of whom? In favor of the bank. So how much the default was? The default is 70 lakhs. So they have settled almost 70% they have settled. Then comes the bank realization. The bank realizes 15 lakhs too. Subsequent, the bank realizes 15 lakhs too. So the claim amount, therefore they are asking us the actual amount. So we will calculate now the claim amount. So the claim amount should be, see here, claim amount should be, the total amount was 70 was the total amount, right? So we will, 70 lakhs is the total amount minus the realization. How much is the realized? 15 is realized, right? So we will just write here 15 lakhs. See now here. So 70 minus 15. 70 lakhs minus the 15 lakhs. It will come to 55 lakhs which will be settled only from ECGC. So see here, 70 minus 15, it would be 55 lakhs, which will, this 55 lakhs which will be settled from ECGC, that is only from ECGC. So this will be settled, I am just writing here, this will be settled only from ECGC. Now final amount will be, this is the 55 lakhs, right? So we will take this 55 lakhs now, and the ECGC has settled only 70% they have set, right? So the claim amount of 70%. So the settlement amount will be this 70%, because this is also ECG will settle. So 70% of the 55 lakhs, which is equal to, I am writing here, I am writing this here, you see here, 55 lakhs, 70%. Now just see here, The answer it will be just a moment. It will be 38.5 lakhs. Yeah, it will be 38.5 lakhs. So the answer, let me see here in the options, 38.5 lakhs. So the answer is this option. The answer is C, 38.5 lakhs. So the actual amount settled by ECGC. They have asked what will be the actual amount settled by ECGC, right? After realization of the security by the bank. So after realization of security by the bank, the ECG has to settle this amount, 38.5 lakhs. Again, I will show you. See, this is the question. A claim of rupees 49 lakhs has been settled by ECGC in favor of the bank against a default of 70 lakhs. That means default was 70 lakhs and ECGC have settled how much? 49 lakhs. Subsequently, the bank realizes again 15 lakhs with the collaterals available to the loan. So the question is, what will be the actual amount settled by ECGC? How much ECGC should settle after realization of the security by the bank? So there are 4 options given here. The first option is 49 lakhs. Second option is 42.5 lakhs. Third is 38.5 lakhs and 4 is 34 lakhs. So the solution is ECGC have settled 49 lakhs on default of rupees 70 lakhs. Right? So 70% of the default amount they have settled. Then comes the 15 lakhs which is realized through security of the loan. Now the claim amount. Claim amount is 70 lakhs what the default was. So 70 lakhs we will take minus the loan collateral, that is which is realized by the bank. So 70 lakhs minus 15 lakhs which will be 55 lakhs. 70 lakhs minus 15 lakhs it will be 55 lakhs which is settled only from ECGC. That means the claim amount from ECGC should be 55 lakhs only from ECGC. Okay. So now we will take this 55 lakhs and the 70% of default amount. So 55 lakhs 70%. The answer will be 38.5 lakhs is the amount which ECGC need to settle. 38.5 lakhs is the amount which ECGC need to settle.